Hello students, I am Tarunpreet Kaur of GMHS 38 West. We will do exercise 4.1 of chapter 4, class 6th. First question is, use the figure to name 5 points, a line, 4 rays, 4 line segments. बेटे हमने पहले समझाया था मैंने आपको इसके पहले वीडियो में कि व्हाट आर पॉइंट्स, ऑल दोज डॉट्स आर कॉल्ड पॉइंट्स. तो हेयर आर 5 डॉट्स आर D, E, O, B, C, and we will write them as point D, point E, point O, and so on. Now a line, DE is a line, DO is a line, DB is a line, because both sides of these line segments have arrows. It means we can increase in both the sides. For rays are EB. EB means we have taken E as the fixed point, and on one side we will increase. For rays we can take EB, OB, DB, OD, OE, any 4 rays we can take. 5 line segments. Line segments are DE, DO, DB, EO, EB, ED, OE, OD. These are 5 segments because they have all fixed points. Is that clear? Now in question 2, name all possible 12 ways, choosing 2 letters at a time. It means we will start from A. It is AB, AC, AD, then BC, BD, then CD. Now we will start from B, BA, BA. Now we will start from C, CA, CB. Now we will start from D, DC, DB, DA. Next, question 3rd. You will read the question. It is use the figure. We have to use this figure to answer these questions. First is line containing point E. We can take as AE, BE, any one line we can take. Line passing through A, it is AB, AD, AE. We can take any one line. Line on which O lies, O is this point, it lies on the line CO. 2 pairs of intersecting line. One pair is this, which has B as the intersecting point. This is AE and CO. Other pair is FE and DE. They have E as the intersecting point. How many lines can pass through one given point? From one given point we can pass in infinite line this way. Infinite lines can be passed through one given point. And from 2 given points, if we have 2 given points, then only one line can pass through them. From fixed 2 points means 2 given points, there is one and only one line which can pass through it. Next, 5th, draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Point P lies on AB. Look बेटे, यहाँ पे AB के ऊपर जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनी है, कोई एरो नहीं है. It means AB is a line segment. Means when we will draw as line segment, and it is not a line. And the question is P lies on this line segment, and hence this is AB and P, we can take P anywhere we can like. Next, XY and PQ intersect at M. These are XY and PQ. They have arrows. Therefore, XY and PQ are two lines. Therefore, we will draw two lines. These are XY and PQ. Intersect at M. यहाँ पे this is M is their point of intersection. Next, line L contains E and F but not D. Line L means we can take line as which can be taken as both side arrows. Line L which contains point E and F. Line should have point E and F but not D. It means point E and F but not D. D point is somewhere here. E and F lies on line L but D is not lying on the line L. Next, OP and OQ meet at point O. OP, this is OP and OQ. OP and OQ, they meet at point O. Means O is their point of intersection. They meet at point O. This is fifth question. D part, OP and OQ meet at O. This is fifth question. C part, in which E and F lie on L but D does not lie on L.